Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to send payment request on voice application or your friend or family member or someone else. It's very simple process how to do it. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. I will show you two types of demo. One is mobile and second one is a web application. But first of all, we will see the web application. Just simply click here the voice. You need to log in your voice app account. How to log in or how to create voice account, I already make a several video link is available on video description. So look at this is my account, voice account. If you want send a request to your friend or someone else, so here look at this, send, add money and request. You just simply click here the request a payment, get payment by anyone anywhere, share a second, money in, move on. So start. After that you need to add here your friend or name, email address or phone number. So I just simply first of all I type here mobile number. The mobile number is not showing on my contact, so someone not on voice, I just simply click here and type here the payment, which currency you want receive. I want receive some money of Danish krona, 3,500 krona, and I type here as a demo point of view. You can type here the specific message, and after that here the create link. So this is a link I created. I just simply copy this link and paste like this here, and you can use this link someone you want send the money. Otherwise you can create as a barcode also, download the barcode and send it to them like this. So this is a simple process how to send a request using voice account. Now same process I apply mobile application. So let's start as a mobile application. This is my mobile application. You can do same process. Look at this, your account here, request, get paid anyone, how much money you want send, 3,500, flat rent, create link. It's easy. You can share this link your specific contact or someone else, you decide. I just simply copy this link and send like this. He or she click on this link and directly receive such kind of request. Look at this here, pay 3,500 DKK, and then if someone press this button, so automatically some amount comes in my account. It's very simple process to send a request on voice. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.